High budget ads or lower budget ads? Yo, what is up everyone? Sri Kanase here, bringing to you guys another Shopify video. And in this video, we're going to be diving a little bit deeper into Facebook ads, but this time, we're going to be discussing budgets. Budgets are really an important factor of determining whether your Facebook ad works or not, believe it or not. And this is why I decided to create a whole video just on Facebook budgets and exactly what is working in 2018. So you guys get a better understanding of what to do with your Facebook ads, whether to go higher budget or stick to lower budget. And by the end of this video, that question is going to be answered. So make sure to watch the entire video so you guys know exactly what works and what doesn't. But before moving on in this video, like always, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below to stay up to date with the quality content that I post basically every week. And also, I have a personal Facebook group that is mostly about e-commerce and Shopify, which is the fastest way you can contact me if you have any questions. And the link is in the description. It's a free Facebook group for you guys, basically uniting all the people with the same goal, which is being successful in e-commerce. So make sure to join the group. It's completely free once again, and it lets you stay connected to me and ask me questions directly. But let's just jump right into it. Alright guys, so let me be honest with you. This whole year, I've been testing a lot of budgets on my Facebook ads. Ever since that Facebook scandal in February, things have changed tremendously. And believe it or not, the way you set up the budgets have also changed as well. I definitely agree that before February, when things were going nice and well with Facebook ads, as long as you had a good ad copy and a product, it would be really easy to get sales on Facebook. But now that there are a shit ton of restrictions, it has become much more harder to get the same results. And a frequently asked question that I always see in any Facebook group is, should we be testing in high budgets or lower budgets? But personally, after having done a lot of research into this matter and a lot of testing, I have come up with a conclusion. And the conclusion is, low budget is a clear winner in 2018. Now for testing, I have done strategies such as the 159 strategy, which is basically one campaign, 5 ad sets, and 9 ads. And the budget for each ad set is $50 in this strategy. So basically $250 total for these ad sets, but in reality I'm not spending $250. I'm only spending up to my profit margin. This is just a really quick way to test your products and get results within a day. I have tested this strategy out, and I have also been continuing on with my main strategy, which I have always used, which is 5 to 10 ad sets at $5 per day to $10 per day. Even with this strategy, I've been testing out different budgets, $6 budgets, $8 budgets, $3 budgets. And out of these both strategies, the 5 to 10 ad set with $5 per day or $10 per day budget was the clear winner. And I was consistently getting more results with this strategy compared to the first one. I did get results in the first one, but they were not as profitable as the second one. And in the end, profit is king. It doesn't matter if you have done $1 million in sales. If your profit is $0, that $1 million doesn't mean anything. Within this strategy, however, I was testing out the $6 budgets, $8 budgets, and $3 budgets, as I already mentioned. And based on this, the clear winner for me was $5 ad sets. They worked better than $10 ad sets, better than $8 ad sets, and better than anything else I've tried. And this isn't some result I got after testing a few products here and there. I was consistently testing products, 4 to 5 products to be exact, per week for the past year. And this is the result that I got. If you guys haven't already checked out my Facebook ads video on how I set up my Facebook ads, make sure to check that out. The link should have popped up in the top right. But using that strategy with the $5 ad sets is really going to put you ahead of the curve. I know it may sound counteractive since you're spending less money, but with the recent changes, this has become the best strategy that you can use. With $5 ad sets, Facebook is right now at least able to correctly show your ads to the audience that is most likely to purchase. And this is exactly what my results showed me. So if you guys have been trying out different things and have not tried out the $5 ad sets, be sure to try this strategy out. It is actually working really well. But if you're already trying this out and haven't got your winner yet, make sure to continue testing products, because that is literally the only way to find your winning product. Right now, you already know the strategy that is working, which is 5 to 10 ad sets at $5 per day. So the main issue that you're having is finding that winning product. But as I mentioned in my last videos on interest targeting, repetition is key in e-commerce. Keep on killing it, guys, and I'll see you next time.